Hi, welcome to Artist Studio Competition. In this video, I'll show you that what are the importance of material engineer, and as a material engineer, what are the responsibilities need to maintain inside the company, and what are the job opportunities of this portion. Material engineer plays a role inside the selecting, developing and testing material used inside the manufacturing and production process. They ensure that the material meet the required standard for performance, durability and cost. Here's the key responsibilities and opportunities are like material engineers are essential in industries that deal with mass production and as such as automotive, aerospace, electronics and construction. Aerospace engineers develop material for aircraft and spacecraft to stand with extreme temperatures and pressures. Automotive engineers select and test material for vehicle production, ensuring they are strong, lightweight and cost effective. Electronics engineers work with semiconductor, display screen and other electronics components to improve performance and durability. In the field of energy sector, material engineers work with energy generating system and including renewable energy and nuclear power plant. Energy system engineer develop materials for energy storage device, battery technology and component in power plant. Construction and civil engineering, material engineers work with construction materials such as concrete, steel, and polymers to ensure structural integrity. Structural material engineers work with construction materials to ensure they meet safety standards and perform well under different conditions. Research and development. Many material engineers work in R&D labs to discover new materials and improve existing ones. They develop advanced materials like composites, alloys, and nanomaterial for specialized application. Medical devices, materials engineer develop biomaterial used in implant in medical devices. Work on material like titanium alloys, polymers, and ceramics in the prosthetic, pacemakers, and implants. Now, the quality control and testing. In manufacturing and production development, material engineers may ensure that material meet a specific through rigorous testing and quality control process. What are the quality control responsibility? Oversees the testing of material to ensure they meet design specification and safety standards. Now come to the qualities of material engineer need to maintain or need to achieve to get a job. To identify the best material for given application, considering factors like to identify the best material for given application and considering factors like cost, strength, durability, weight and environmental impact. This could involve working with metals, polymers, ceramics, composites and other specialized material. Material testing conduct tests on material to evaluate properties like tensile strength, hardness, corrosion resistance and fatigue resistance. Use laboratory equipment like microscope, spectrometer and testing machines. Failures of analysis. Investing material failures such as cracks, fractures and wears to determine the causes and develop solutions to prevent similar issues in the future. Design and development. Collaborate with engineers in the design process to ensure the selected material can be manufactured and used effectively in the product. Process optimization. Work on improving manufacturing process to make them more effective, cost effective and environmentally friendly while ensuring the desired material properties. Research and development eco-friendly and sustainability materials focusing on reducing waste, improving recycle, creating environmental consciousness product. Quality control and assurance. Oversees quality control process to ensure that material used in production meet the required specification and standardization. So hereby one of the main things you have already focused on the material engineer. As a material engineer, you need to find out the solution that is environmental friendly, like average your daily basis use case. You need to find out the product which is eco-friendly and environmental friendly. So that's why the required is very much in this platform for a material engineer. So thanks for watching my video. Hope this video will be helpful for your engineering experiences and demonstrate your resume with all of the regulated specification, and you have achieved the technologies or the knowledge or the experiences. Share your experiences properly and get your chance.